Hi, my name is Bethany Barrese. I'm a partner at Saxe, Doernberger, and Vita, where I represent policyholders in all types of insurance coverage disputes. And today I'm sharing my thoughts on a question that comes across my desk all the time. What can I do when my insurer delays in paying a covered claim? I find that the situation can be even more frustrating to policyholders than receiving a denial of coverage because that initial feeling of relief that the claim was accepted, it can be far outweighed by the annoyance of hearing crickets when it comes time for the insurer to pay. So sometimes the key in this situation is to just be persistent and clear in follow-up correspondence with the insurer. But I also like to advise my clients to consider whether they have any available remedies under a prompt pay statute. Prompt pay statutes are laws that are enacted by state legislatures that can subject insurance companies to penalties on top of the amount of a claim if they delay payment past a specified deadline. So when I think of prompt pay, my mind always goes straight to Texas. Texas has a statute that specifically lays out how many days an insurer has to handle each step of a claim, from acknowledging receipt of the claim to investigating, to communicating an acceptance or rejection, and then to pay any portion of the claim that's covered. If the claim is covered and the insurer delays payment of the claim by more than 60 days, they can be held liable for the amount of the claim plus 18% interest and attorney's fees. I would note that Louisiana also has a great prompt pay statute that requires insurers to either pay a covered property damage claim or make an offer to settle the claim within 30 days of receipt of a satisfactory proof of loss form. If there's any arbitrary or capricious failure to comply with this statute, that can expose the insurer to penalties of 50% of the amount due or $1,000, whichever is greater, plus attorney's fees and costs. And yes, that is also in addition to payment of the claim itself. So you may be thinking, hey, Bethany, this sounds like a great option for me, but what's the catch? Well, the first catch is that not all states have prompt pay statutes. And even for those states that do, it's really important to keep in mind that because these statutes are enacted at the state level, the content and application of the laws varies. So at the end of the day, prompt pay statutes can be a great asset to policyholders who are dealing with an uncooperative insurer. So if you're experiencing a delay in the payment or maybe the adjustment of a claim, feel free to reach out to SDV and we can discuss what options may be available to you.